Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. Today we'll solve another JEE Main question from a quadratic equation. The equation e power x, e power 4 times of x plus 8 e to the 3 times of x plus 13 e to the power 2 is x minus 8 e power x plus 1 equals 0. When x is a real number, it has the options are 2 solution with both are negative, no solution, 4 solution, 2 of which are negative, 2 solution and only one of them are negative. So here we can take e power x as your t. Let e to the power x as t or any variable, then the equation reduces to e power t power 4, because e to the power 4 times of x equals to t power 4 plus 8 t power 3 plus 13 t power 2 minus 8 t plus 1 is 0. So we will reduce into a quadratic equation. So what I'll do, I'll divide throughout with t square. So this gives us t4 divided by t square here dividing with t square. So it will be 8t plus 13 minus 8 over t plus 1 over t square equals to 0. Now arranging them, t square, I'll take 1 over t square together, and here 8 times t minus 1 by t plus 13 equals to 0. Now let us take t minus 1 over t equals to, here something, you can take z, let this equals to z, then t square plus 1 over t square equals to z square plus 2. So equation reduces to z square plus 2 plus 8 times of z, this we have taken a z, plus 13 is 0. This is, we have taken z, it is z, or z square plus 8z plus 15 equals to 0, or splitting the middle term, I will get z square plus 5z plus 3z plus 15 equals to 0. Taking pairwise common, z plus 5 plus 3 times of z plus 5 equals to 0, or this equals to z plus 5 into z plus 3 equals to 0. This gives us two values. One is z is negative 5 and z equals to negative 3. So what was z? Z was t minus 1 over t. So this equals to negative 5 and t minus 1 over 5 equals to negative 3. So t minus 1 over t equals to minus 5. This gives me t square minus 1 equals to minus 5t, or t square plus 5t minus 1 is 0. So using quadratic formula, t equals to minus 5 plus minus b square, so 25 minus 4ac equal to plus 4 over 2 into a, that is 2. So minus 5 plus minus square root 29 over 2. So for second case, t minus 1 over 2 is equal to negative 3. This gives us t square minus 1 equals to minus 3t, or t square plus 3t minus 1 equals to 0. Using formula, we'll get t is equals to minus 3 plus minus b square. So it will be 9 plus 4 over 2. So minus 3 plus minus square root 13 by 2. Now we have to be very careful because we are getting 4 solutions of t. But what was t? T was e to the power x. So e to the power x is never negative. So we have to select the values only which gives the t value positive. So t equals to minus 5 plus square root 29 by 2 and t equals to minus 3 plus square root 13 over 2. This is the value of 2. That means that is the value of xt to the power x also. So e to the power x equals to your minus square root 29 minus 5 over 2 and e to the power x equals to square root 13 minus 3 over 2. So what will be x? From first, x is equals to ln square root 13 minus 3 over 2 or x equals to ln of square root 29 minus 5 over 2. So if you will take this value, taking the ln or logarithm of this value is all negative. Because this will be less than 1, all the values will be less than 1. So we'll get ln value is negative. So x, there are 2 solutions. Both are negative. So let us go back to the solution to mark which one is the correct. So this one is correct. A is correct. So thank you for watching.